a time in a small town, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was not your ordinary girl. She possessed a unique power that set her apart from the rest. She could bring life to her imagination with a mere touch of her hand. Maya's town was facing a severe drought, and the once vibrant fields were now barren. The villagers were losing hope, and their spirits were as dry as the cracked earth beneath their feet. Maya couldn't bear to see her community suffer, so she decided to use her extraordinary gift to make a difference. With determination in her eyes, Maya ventured into the heart of the desolate fields. She closed her eyes, focused her thoughts, and gently touched the lifeless soil. Instantly, the ground beneath her transformed. Sprouts of green emerged, and vibrant flowers bloomed, turning the once lifeless land into a colorful oasis. Word of Maya's incredible ability spread like wildfire through the town. The women in the community were particularly inspired by her actions. They saw in Maya a symbol of the strength that women possess, a strength that can nurture life even in the most challenging circumstances. Encouraged by Maya's example, the women of the town united. They formed a community garden, each contributing their unique skills and talents. Maya became a beacon of empowerment, guiding them as they worked together to revive the town. The women planted, watered, and nurtured the land, transforming it into a flourishing haven of life. As the once barren fields now thrived with abundance, the entire town began to prosper. The women, inspired by Maya's leadership, realized the power they held within themselves. They took charge of various aspects of the community, proving that women could be strong, resilient, and instrumental in bringing positive change. Maya's story became a legend, not just in her town, but in surrounding villages as well. It served as a reminder that women's power goes beyond what meets the eye. It lies in the ability to nurture, create, and transform even the most challenging situations into opportunities for growth and prosperity. And so, Maya and the women of the town lived happily ever after, their story echoing through generations as a testament to the enduring power of women.